Yang. Suklay ako bok yang, wali yang. Alisin mo ha. Thank you, madam. Wala pa.
Drive innovation and positive change. Self-worth and outlook in balancing administrative duties with employees' well-being or
Wala pa.
shape how we balance responsibility with the well-being of our team. Managerial capabilities in handling conflict and adhering to civil service laws. Ensure that our actions are guided by established rules and standards. And integrity in navigating complex labor relations, which remains the foundation of every decision we make, especially when faced with difficult choices. Through this evaluation, we demonstrate the knowledge, skills, and ethical standards necessary to build strong teams and ensure harmonious work relations. These areas reflect the commitment, competence, and ethical standards required to serve effectively. Next slide, ma'am. Final assessment artifacts. The final assessment artifacts requires submitting various documents, a culture diagnostic report for the written exam, a team charter in conflict, management protocol for assessment center, a portfolio with performance records and feedback, and a reflective brief connecting learning to leadership competencies. Next now. These learning experiences include conflict mapping and mediation role play following preparation, simulation, and debriefing, as well as a team lab based on psychological safety research that involves failure analysis, and commitment clarification activities.
Mahulog ka na eh.
This
Mamumo ka
framework
eh.
outlines the assessment artifacts that serve as evidence of learning. It's designed to demonstrate the specific competencies and aligned with the stages of the CESP evaluation process. Culture diagnostic report showcases analytical and writing skills for the written examination, while the DWAC or the Discipline, Integrity, Work, Attitude, Accountability Team Charter and Conflict Management Protocol provide practical tools for implementation and grievance handling corresponding to the assessment center stage. Additionally, the 360-degree feedback analysis offers proof of behavioral competence for performance validation and the reflective brief synthesis, learning and leadership philosophy, preparing candidates for the final board interview. Together, these documents fulfill the field evidence requirements for a comprehensive CESB style validation. Next slide. This framework. To ensure defensibility, participants must provide three types of evidence. Primary evidence through direct observation, like video recordings, communication records. Secondary evidence include documentation such as performance ratings and survey data, and tertiary evidence showcasing system
Dala
like
ako sa kliyente.
grievances
Sa
and
kliyente,
improved
mami.
engagement, all aligned with the peace framework for
Galing nga, oh.
transforming
Sigulong
organizational culture. Peace stands for professionalism, ethics, attitude, communication, and engagement.
Kimpit sa ito ko, Herbe.
Next slide, ma'am.
Baas mo.
With this illustration, a culture rooted in fear, blame, and scarcity leads to silence and lack of repeating, which ultimately causes system failures and crisis, creating reinforcing feedback loop
Kimpit na ka.
that perpetuates the problem.
Dili ba, mami?
Next
Oh,
slide,
mami, oh.
ma'am, please.
Eh,
With this picture, the image illustrates the concept of decision making by showing a person standing at a crossroads, symbolizing the choices we face. The left path, marked with a green check, represents a good or correct decision, while the right path, marked with a represent, red cross, represents a poor or incorrect one. It visually possesses the question, what is a good decision? To promote reflection on the factors, values, and consequences that guide us in choosing the right direction.
Ayaw igot na. Ayaw igot.
This slide
Ayaw. Ayaw. Ayaw.
leading
Ayaw.
people
Ayaw.
create safety
Hindi ayaw.
education instead.
Ayaw.
Papa, dito ka, mama. Papa ka, mama. Ah, dito ka, mama ko. Dito ka, mama ko. Dito ka, ate, dito. Ate, mama. Dito ka. Balik lang.
Following due
Ate ka dito.
legal
Ate dito, ate dito. Dito ka, mama. Dito. Dagan ka, mama. Dagan ka, mama. Dagan ka. Dagan ka. Dagan ka, mama.
summarize by applying these four strategies, fostering safety,
Uyam ko, mami.
ensuring accountability,
Tunjay imo. Uyam niya.
leaders
Uyam niya, mami.
Diyan na.
Uyam
Diyan ma.
imo.
Dali lahat ka.
Uyam ko, Tunjay.
Ari, ah. Nakaw na. Nakaw, wala na dira.
The expected workforce behaviors includes speaking up, learning openly, following processes, and collaborating, supported by short, medium, and long-term feedback mechanisms, all grounded in legal frameworks like Legal Order 35 Series of 2004. Next slide, ma'am. It is the framework is grounded in legal basis like CSC rules and the Magna Carta, supported by psychological safety, psychological safety theories, and local procedures, emphasizing the need to balance safety and accountability through the practical DIWA next po. emphasizing that mistakes are learning opportunities, issues should be raised freely, and intelligent risk-taking is
Untuk
encouraged.
indik. Aduh, mami, untuk indik. Untuk aduh indik, mami. Oh, aduh indik. Aduh indik, wala ko aduh indik. Digi na ba?
This section
Na, digi na
outlined
ba?
for seeking help and recognize
Digi
value,
na ba?
details
Ay,
of
nakaklase ko
level
na.
conflict resolution
Untuk
process
aduh,
from informal
Ya, hawa
talks to
yan.
formal
Sabak kay
administrative
kaya.
action
untuk
and establishes
aduh,
accountability
dadu.
safeguards like transparency, anti-retaliation rules, and integrity checks, all requiring official signatures for authorization.
Untuk aduh
The
babu.
framework includes key competence like
Babu
psychological safety,
stain. Babu stain. Mama yo. Mama yo.
conflict resolution, due process, and consistent decision making, and presents a case study where a new superintendent must address labor unrest using data and executive reasoning.
Ugaw ko na mut, mami.
Next map, please. Okay. While overall satisfaction and intent to stay are above average, the very low psychological safety score and extremely high grievance findings reveal as fear of retaliation, culture where people avoid informal resolution and resort to formal complaints. Table 2, urban central schools have more teachers, higher pupil-teacher ratios, and stronger union presence, while rural and indigenous community schools have fewer staff, lower ratios, and less union representation, highlighting significant systemic differences across school types. Table 3. Next slide. Urban schools face union pressure and heavy workloads, while rural schools struggle with isolation and limited representation, making uniform solutions ineffective. Grievance data shows workload issues are the most frequent but least resolved locally, taking the longest time to address. Transfer and administrative style issues have very local resolution, low local resolution rates, and take the longest time to settle, confirming a critical lack of conflict mediation skills at the school level. At the lower part of this are the stakeholder power. So this illustrates the chain of command and how different work roles together, and the pressure where we balance from policy requirements above to community needs below. Next now. This is as I will say as a simulation kit. I will not let you do this, but I will just present this to you. A task to design a 90-day intervention plan using the PEACE framework that addresses psychologically safety, maintains good union relations, work within existing workload limits, and produces measurable results for validation, followed by a 6-hour simulation assessment mirroring official CESP procedures, or CESP. The Perfect Storm Assessment Center is comprehensive 6-hour evaluation designed to mirror the official structure and standard of the Civil Service Commission Board, or CESP. It simulates complex, real-world challenges that combine multiple pressures, such as psychological safety issues, union relations, workload constraints, and accountability demands, creating a perfect storm scenario. The goal is to assess how will you apply knowledge, skills, and decision making in a practical job-like setting rather than just theoretical knowledge, ensuring your responses are method aligned and defensible. In slide 70 down to 71, these two slides assessment consists of four exercises. First is a 90-minute in basket task, where you prioritize and respond to 20 items like union issues, direct complaints, and ethical concerns to test planning and decision making. Second, a 60-minute role play rejecting a workload dispute between management and union, scored on behavioral indicators. Third, a 60-minute lab facilitating a review of field program to assess how you handle failure and accountability. And finally, a 45-minute interview responding to media allegations, evaluating your communication and ethical stance. Next slide. The slide from 72 to 73, these two
Be.
slides,
Supply ko.
these tables present a 4-point scoring rubric
Pero ha.
aligned with CESP standards,
Kana. Good. Sige pa.
evaluating performance
Kana.
across four
Anak na.
Sige pa.
competencies. Psychological safety coordination
Ay,
Sige pa.
ranges from ignoring safety issues to actively framing work as learning and distinguishing between intelligence failure and negligence. Ethical judgment measures ability to balance conflicting interests like union demands and student welfare. From high-risk stances to defensible decision with safeguards. Next is conflict systems design. Assesses how processes are applied from bypassing due process to fully utilizing depth-ed machinery and building feedback loops. Another one is the stakeholder accountability. Evaluates ownership and transparency from shifting blame to fairly owning decisions and being open about
Dagan.
trade-offs.
Ato na
Short,
dito.
they define what distinguishes excellent, proficient, developing, and unacceptable performance in leadership and management practices. The next two slides, this is a 15-minute process to align assessors on scoring standards. The first review performance level descriptions, watch and score a simple video independently, discuss and reconcile differences to reach consensus, and finally document agreed recommendation for behaviors for consistent and defensible evaluation. Another four slides, set of tables, outlines how to validate performance claims using multiple data sources, address potential biases, and ensure results are reliable and verifiable. It also defines the hierarchy of evidence value from direct observation to gather data on information findings to anecdotal claims rejected. It built safeguards to prevent manipulation and ensure equity. Next slide po. Slide 18 na po, ma'am. Integrity safeguards. Integrity safeguards are implemented in 3 stages: pre-module agreements, during module monitoring and assessor rotation, and post-module audits to ensure fair and honest evaluation.
It's a
Next slide,
tree.
ma'am.
How you do have the tree?
This slide presents a board defense script question, a question bank. Global benchmarking aligned with OECD and SDG 4 standards, and a facilitator guide outlining module governance, data protocols, and ethical safeguards, with a 2-minute opening statement on implementing the PACE framework and a question bank aligned with CESP panel integrated standards. Based on the framework's purpose and content, these standards: P is for professionalism, E for ethics, A stands for attitude, and C stands for communication, and E stands for engagement. It is a structured approach that balances trust and teamwork to transform organizational culture. Next slide, ma'am. The questions challenge the framework by questioning if psychological safety weakens accountability, how it adapts to budget cuts and data limitations, how to enforce policies without creating fear, how to balance stakeholder demands with due process, and how to handle ethical dilemmas like data manipulation and potential conflicts of interest.
Mommy? Mommy!
The slides cover 3 main ideas. First, the PEACE framework is evaluated against global standards for relevance, coherence,
Mommy,
effectiveness,
tayo ko.
efficiency, impact, and sustainability, and is aligned with SDG 4 goals for quality education. Second, the module's purpose is to develop leaders who can transform culture while upholding labor relations integrity, with result use for individual clarification, institutional improvement, certification, individual certification, institutional improvement, and policy feedback. Third, strict ethical and data protection rules are enforced, requiring informed consent, ensuring confidentiality, and minimizing data, and establishing clear grievance and withdrawal procedures. DIWA represents the core values and professional standards that guide behavior and decision making in the
Right? Sorry,
workplace.
blood.
Next slide, ma'am. Ito pa po, ma'am. Where the logo featuring a heart and rain, it symbolizes that these values come from both heart, passion, and character, and the mind, knowledge, and responsibility, forming the foundation of ethical and effective leadership. Next po, ma'am. The peace. Proceed, ma'am. These 5 elements of peace form the comprehensive framework for building a healthy organizational culture plus peace. This is sample for interview answer using
Sare.
diwa plus peace. How responsible I am.
Ay, nabenta mo.
Sige pa, ma'am.
Ngayon mo ka
If
dito.
you use this protocol and framework in interviews, remember, just one diwa and peace. Balik pa, ma'am. Balik lang. Get those that define diwa and peace. Always connect them to real action or experience. Balik pa po yung isa, ma'am. For diwa, how responsible I am. And for the second statement, ma'am, for peace, how I work with others.
Isa na po. Napo, supporter mo.
Next, ma'am. Next slide po. What qualities make you, balik po natin. Ibalik. Okay, this is a sample question for board interview. What qualities make you fit
Ay,
for this
nagaba ha.
position? And I also have there the given answer, sample given answer, ma'am. Next slide. There.
Daon-daon ko, mami.
This is the sample answer.
Daon-daon.
I believe I am fit for this position because I practice the values of diwa and peace in my professional work. I observe discipline by following
Ako, mami,
school
be.
policies and
Ito na,
being
ito na.
punctual.
Mami.
I uphold integrity by being honest in all my responsibilities and
Tama na.
decisions.
Tama na,
I
pinaputol na.
maintain positive work
Balik
attitude
lang
and
dali pa mo.
accept accountability for my actions.
Sulat na dito.
Sige
In
na.
terms of peace,
Kumana na.
I
Kumana na.
demonstrate
Dali na.
professionalism in my conduct,
Sige ba?
Kuman na.
ethical
Sige ba?
standards,
Wala na, human na. Sige na, dito na.
based on my
Ito ba daon?
Sulat na.
ethics
Ito ba daon?
Kaon.
and maintain a positive attitude even in challenging situations. I communicate clearly and respectfully with colleagues, students, and parents, and
Biyo ba, biyo?
engage in school activities and
Hayaan
teamwork
ko ninyo
to
na.
support institutional goals. Next po.
Awa na diri.
For a concluding statement,
Unto ko
Facebook
ato
is
dahar.
becomes
Wala
visible.
na, bitago na.
It is not just
O, tana.
about
Oh,
quality
gubaon
of
mo.
people,
Gubaon mo.
but inspiring them, guiding them through challenges, and building a professional environment where both teachers and learners can thrive. Next po. Next, ma'am. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Good afternoon po, everyone.